Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Updating your birthday ensures you receive your complimentary birthday reward, which is automatically added to your account on your birthday and is typically valid only on that particular date. So, to do that, firstly launch the Starbucks app on your device and log in to your account. Further, tap on the account icon located at the right side of your screen. Now go ahead and select Personal Info option to view your account details. Now, locate the birthday field within your personal information and, if editable, enter your correct birth date. Save your changes by tapping on the Save or Update button. And as you can see, the birthday option for me is grayed out, which means I cannot change my birthday. If this is the case for you too, then reach out to the Starbucks customer service for assistance in updating your birth date. Or you can also take a valid ID card of yours to the counter of Starbucks on your birthday and tell them that the date you entered in the app is incorrect, and further ask them to help you redeem your birthday reward on your birthday. So, this is how you can change birthday on Starbucks app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.